Today's video is all about the body shimmer cream. I'm going to bring you along and show you how I make it for my business. The emulsifying wax is going to help bind the water, oils, and the mica together. It also helps with the greasy feel, so you do not get that once you apply the shimmer. If you decide to give it a try and make your own body shimmer cream, remember you do not have to use the oils that I used in this video. You can use whichever oils you prefer. If you're wondering about this cream, like what is it that I'm making exactly? So the cream is actually lotion. Remember, when making cosmetic products that's mixed with water, you want to add a preservative so you can improve the shelf life of the product and to protect it from mold and bacteria that could be introduced when your customers use the product. I like to work with the cream when it's still in its liquid form because it's easy for me to get the mica evenly mixed throughout the bottle. And an added bonus when working with it while it's still in its liquid state is you don't have to struggle with getting the product into the bottle. If I allow it to take its cream form, I will have to use a syringe to put it in the bottle. everything evenly mixed, I'm going to allow it to sit and it's going to turn into cream. To pour the remaining mixture into a bowl, allow it to sit some more. Then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks when it has formed into a cream, just so you can see that it's not going to stay liquid, it is going to turn into a cream. Was so mad at myself. I was like, oh, I've been doing so good this entire video, not making a mess, and look what happened. I know you might be like, wait a minute, where did this pink one come from? I made that one off camera. The steps were the same as I did for the other ones. As you can see, it is in its cream form, not in the liquid form anymore. Completely cream. When applying the shimmer cream, it's best to use a makeup sponge. I misplaced the whole bag of sponges, so I had no choice but to use a cotton ball, and you will see the cotton ball begins to come apart when applying the cream. You will have pieces left behind everywhere. You should not rub the body shimmer cream in, because you will not get an even glow if you do that. It'll just look like you was playing around in some glitter and you got a few pieces left on your body somewhere. Be sure to leave a comment below letting me know which one you like best.